How to clean glue off a skin hair system. To ensure the longevity of your hair system, it is crucial to clean and maintain it properly. Because the cleaning techniques for skin and lace-based hair systems are slightly different, in this video we will focus on how to remove adhesives from skin system. Start by placing cotton all over the base of the hair system. The cotton will stick to the adhesive. Once the entire base is covered with cotton, start to spray solvent directly onto the cotton until it is saturated. Wait about a minute, then gently scrub off the adhesive with a towel. If the adhesive isn't removable yet, you can apply more cotton saturated in solvent. Be cautious during this process not to let the adhesive stick to the hair. If it does happen, apply a solvent to easily separate the two. You can use a fine-tooth comb to facilitate this. If after following these steps the adhesive is still stuck in the hair system, you can soak the unit in solvent for 10 minutes. Then remove any remaining adhesive with a towel, ensuring that the hairpiece is no longer sticky. Once all the adhesive has been removed, you can proceed to wash the hair system with shampoo and conditioner. Finally, apply your preferred treatment to keep it moisturized and further its lifespan. And that's it! Subscribe and activate the notification bell for more videos like this.